Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Accent. Designed to keep you moving and leave boredom behind, the Hyundai Accent is affordable, fuel-efficient, and safe. A winning combination, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.